السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. أهلا فيكم سيداتي أنساتي وسادتي. اليوم عندنا انبوكسنج فيديو لأمازون إيكو دوت. طبعا هاي ما قدرتش اشتريها من الأمازون مع أنها من أمازون، ولكن اضطريت اشتريها على الإي باي نفس السعر $50 الوحدة. أنا اشتريت 200. راح نجربها اليوم هيك، عارف، نخلي الاستوديو أو المكتب سمارت أوفيس. طبعا لازم اشتري اخرى اكسسوارز اللي اقدر اتحكم بكل المكتب، بقدرش هيك تتحكم فيه لحالها. هي هيك تقريبا تكون زي سيري او جوجل اسيستنت او ما شابه، ولكن بس نشوف من هون ايوه اوكي. على وين يفتح؟ يا اوه نايسلي دون. look at that fabric. اوكي خليها على جنب. خلينا نشوف شو في بالبوكس. paperwork and الشارجر. طلع الشارجر. هذا شارجر امريكاني، فما مش راح اقدر اشغلها بلا ما اجيب الشارجر الاوروبي. bloody hell there you go, spoiling my fun again. نعم حريشك. انا اصلا امبارح بصيت على شارجر اوروبي امريكاني اوروبي اللي هو يعني راح نكمل هالفيديو بعد ما يصل البلاج. طيب سيداتي انساتي وسادتي، بعد ساعات قليلة جبنا القطعة اللي ناقصنا عشان نقدر نشغل أليكسا. جبت هذا، نسوي له هيك. في هذا جبت Europe that's right. اوكي عندنا هذا مش راح نستعمل هسه، راح نستعمل هاي. alright. ايوه وراي في ايوه ممتاز. هاي وين الدفتر؟ خلينا نشوف شو بخرفنا هون. instructions echo dot. okay, download the Amazon Alexa app. okay, I did download it. نزلتها. Alexa app وين راحتها؟ هي ذا. الله أكبر عزة لله جميعا. طيب
Hello, your device is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay. Hello.
Your Echo is ready.
Yay. Okay. Alexa. Hello.
Hello. I just finished my new Halloween rap and think it's pretty spooktacular. To hear it, just ask me for a spooky rap.
كذابي. اوكي خلينا نتعرف على صوتي بس لما انا احكي ترد علي لأنا لحالي. Alexa, recognize my voice.
Once I learn your voice, I'll be able to call you by name, tell you apart from others who use the Echo devices you speak to, and personalize your experience. First, I'll need your name. I found a few in this account. Say yes if you hear yours. Is this an ad?
Yes, that's me.
As part of learning your voice, I'll ask you to say 4 phrases to create a voice profile.
Okay,
Your voice will be stored in the cloud until you delete it in the app. Now you'll just need to repeat after me. Get ready. We're about to begin. First up, say, Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Alexa, what's the temperature outside?
Great. Now say, Alexa, play music.
Alexa, play music.
Next, Alexa, turn off the light.
Alexa, turn off the lights. Okay.
And one more. Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, you're all done. In ad. Hello, I'm Alexa. It's nice to meet you. Let's get you started with 4 things to try. You can say stop at any time. Let's get started. To talk to me, just say my name and ask me a question. Let's move on for now. Let's try something new. To make trips to the store easier, I can keep track of your shopping list. Try saying, Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Alexa, add milk to my shopping list.
Okay, I've added milk to your shopping list.
Holy
You
shit.
can find it in your Alexa app.
You view your
Let's try something fun. I love a good chuckle. Try
Milk.
saying,
She added
Alexa,
milk.
tell me a joke.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
What's a pirate's favorite exercise? The plank. That was a real knee slapper. I can help you track time when you're in the kitchen, exercising, or doing laundry. Try saying, Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
Alexa, set a timer for 20 minutes.
20-minute timer starting now. I'll cancel that timer for now. Let's move on to the last part of this introduction. I'll ask you a few questions to see what you like. Then, I'll send you recommendations to your Alexa app. First question. Do you like staying up to date on the latest news?
Yes.
Second question. I've got mad skills. Skills are like apps for Alexa, so you can do more, like play games, order a pizza, or listen to a meditation. Do you want to learn more about skills?
Yes, I do.
Got it. One last thing. I have lots of audiobooks. You can ask me to read one while cooking or before going to bed. Want to learn more?
Yes.
Great. I've sent your recommendations. Now it's time to explore. Go ahead and open the Alexa app to see your things to try. Thanks for talking with me.
All right, that was interesting. Alexa, sing a song.
Got my mind on a number, lucky number of mine. 3.14159. My day is pi day, diameter, circumference, infinite, irrational, without an encumbrance. Going round in circles, a revolving door. Feeling transcendental over 3.14. I'll take a slice of that never-ending pie, a never-ending slice. Oh me, oh my.
Damn it. That's amazing. That is so mind-blowing. Okay, I see you, Alexa. What time is it? Alexa, what time is it?
It's 4:32 p.m.
What? 4:32 p.m.? No, it's not. What the hell, Alexa? Okay. Alexa, what time is it?
The time is 4:36 p.m.
Are you sure about that?
My God, it is not. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 7:40 p.m. By the way,
Yes.
you can also ask me questions like, what time is it in Shanghai?
Alexa, what time is it in Rome?
In Rome, it's 6:40 p.m.
I see you. Okay, سيداتي أنساتي وسادتي، وصلنا لنهاية المقطع، أتمنى أنكم استمتعتوا بالمشاهدة. وإذا حابين تشوفوا كمان فيديو لأليكسا بعد ما أجيب لها الإكسسوارز تاعونها، حطوا بالكومنت سيكشن بليز، حطوا في قسم الكومنتات. وإن شاء الله بشوفكم في المقطع الجاي. في أمان الله.